Dmis is a universal metrology software, providing a complete suite of programming capabilities for the creation and execution of measurement routines. It can be used with stationary CMMs, vision CMMs, portable arms, laser trackers, and machine tool-based probing systems. Dmis is also used for programming away from any device with digital twins in a fully realized virtual environment. Used globally across a variety of manufacturing verticals, addressable applications include powertrain, automotive body and assembly, heavy industry, medical devices, and consumer electronics. Cutting-edge features enable users to tackle a wide range of inspection challenges. With a complete suite of programming capabilities, quality engineers can use quick features and widgets to create optimal measurement strategies. Through a simplified shop floor user interface, machine operators can quickly select and execute the right routine for any metrology equipment. With customizable reports and online integrations, Dmis makes it easy to access and analyze inspection data. The software provides a geometric dimensioning and tolerancing toolset that complies with latest industry standards. Import embedded GD&T from 3D CAD models to streamline measurement creation, or use OCR tools to automatically recognize dimensional data from 2D drawings and blueprints. Dmis is fully integrated with Hexagon robotic automation and can be used as the primary metrology software within automated cells. View and share metrology data from Dmis within Hexagon's Nexus native metrology reporting platform for aggregated measurement data, trends, and insights. With access to training, support teams, and experienced application engineers, we're here to help you succeed. For over 25 years, Dmis has captured quality data. Today, we're helping you put this data to work. Make your factories, your processes, and your products smarter with data you can trust.